Hi, this is Shazim from Shazim Creations. Today I'm going to share with you one-click gold text effect Photoshop action. So without any further ado, let's get started. At first, open your Photoshop software. After open a Photoshop software, then at first go to File menu, then take a new document page. So go to File menu, then click on the new or hold press Ctrl or Command N and select the resolution of the document page, wide 1920 pixels and height 1080 pixels, resolution 300. Then click on the create. Okay, create a new document and now go to window menu to load the Photoshop action. Then click on the actions or hold press Alt and function 9 and click on here this option and click on the load action. Select this gold text effect by Shazim Creations. This action I will provide full free. You can download this action from this video description box. Click on the action, then click on the load. And now easy to use this action. Just select the action, one click gold text by Shazim, and just one click on the play button, and it's automatically make a gold text effect. See the magic, like a gold text effect. Resize your image. You can edit this gold text effect by your choice as your wish. Just double click on this gold and just type your any text. Just click on here checkbox, this check button, and you can modify and edit this gold text effect. You can use this gold text effect as a logo. Double click on the gold text. You can modify or edit your gold text effect font from here. Have a look. That is really a magic Photoshop action. Type any text, then just one click on the check button, then look the output of the image gold effect. If you want to use this gold text effect as a logo, so just of this layer 0, this layer, and use this text effect as a logo by save this image as a PNG type. Select the PNG, save type PNG, click on the OK. Now see the output of the image. Really look like a gold text effect. I hope you like this Photoshop action. I hope you like this video. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to give us like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends for more updates. Thank you. See you next tutorial.